Hi there and welcome. I'm Winston from tubemechanicsnode.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a new domain name for your website for free. So first, what is a domain name actually? Well, simply put, a domain name is a user-friendly naming system that allows people to easily navigate web services and web pages. Rather than making people to type in IP addresses whenever they want to access a certain web page, websites are instead assigned easy to remember character strings called domain names. Domain names do add credibility to your online website. By having your own domain name, you'll be making your website or your blog or your online business look professional. If you decide to publish your content through a free or shared website service like Weebly or Tumblr, you will end up with the URL such as this. This type of generic web addresses does not inspire confidence to those browsing the net as a domain name would do. And since not very many people trust the internet nowadays, you want to do everything to prove that your online business deserves people's attention. Now, apart from inspiring confidence among browsers online, a domain name also adds mobility to your internet presence. Now, by owning your own domain name, it allows you to be able to transfer your web host or switch to your own in-house service whenever you are ready. So, if you are not willing to keep paying the recurring fee for an appropriate domain name, then you have to keep watching as I'm going to show you how to get one for free. So, to get the domain name, first you have to head over to this website called .tk. I will leave the link to this website below this video. Now, type in the domain name of your choice and check if it's available. In my case, these are all the domain names available, and as you can see, they are all free. I'm just going to go with the domain name .ml by clicking on the Get It Now button. You can also reserve the other domain names if only you plan to use them in the future. After clicking on the Get It Now button, the next step is clicking on the Checkout button. Now you'll be redirected to freenom.com, which is the main website. Below on this page, you will see your chosen domain name. Now you want to click on this arrow button next to free, and you can choose how long you want to use the domain name for free. As you can see, you have the option to use the domain name for up to 12 months for free. That's a whole full year. If the website you're trying to create using this domain name is for making money, you will be able to make enough money by this time to be able to start paying for a domain name or be able to pay for a .com domain name, which is about $10 a year. If after the 12 months you haven't made money enough to start paying for the domain name, you can always renew it by choosing any of these options again after the 12 months. Click the continue button to move to the next step. Now here is where you can register for an account on Freenom. Now you have to take note that if you go straight to the Freenom website, you will not have a button to register for an account. That's why we had to go through the website .tk. Now let's get back to creating our account. Now you can do that by entering your email here and verifying it through that email or using any of these social accounts. Personally, I just like using the Google account. Now, as you can see below here, it says verification link sent to your email. The verification link is valid only for 24 hours. Go to your email inbox and click on the link. You also have the option to enter another email if you did make a mistake. Let's now go and verify our Freenom account using the email account we used. After clicking on the verification link, it's going to redirect you to this page. Now here you will need to fill all the necessary informations, accept the terms of service, and click on the complete order button below. In some cases, after doing that, you might see an error message. If that's the case and you know you did everything correctly, you don't have to worry. Just head over back to Freenom website, log in using the email account again. After logging in again, go to the services tab here on the top and then on my domains and click on it. Here is where you are going to find all the domain names that you have registered under Freenom. As you can see, the domain name that we just registered is now active. Now that we have a free domain name registered and active, let's go and get a free hosting account. After creating our hosting account, we'll need to come back to the Freenom website to link the domain name to the created hosting account. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to get a free hosting service, how to build a website using WordPress platform on that hosting service, and how to link your newly created domain name to your free hosting service.